ga kauran daular Usmaniya ga sarkin musulmi na Ahmadu lafiya toya wala lafiya uban musulmi lafiya sarkin sadabinsi lafiya kyauran gabas lafiya tufani yanyan ba lafiya mai horo a bi Allah yau ranar murna ranar farin ciki an yi naɗin jido ko yanzu zai duniya alhamdulillahi yadda sarki ya zauna da bismillah
the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Royal Highness, the Emir of Bauchi, Highnesses, the Emirs here present, distinguished invitees, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a day that honors is bestowed on us on both sides of the divide. For His Excellency to agree to subject himself to our tradition and accept this title with humility is the hallmark of what makes Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. A nationalist par excellence who is always amiable and amenable to all sections of the country, traditions and tribes and languages. And of course, our amiable Emir has always distinguished himself, a generous Emir who is always ready to give, to accommodate others, expand the emirate, and make sure that people of substance are brought in to contribute positively to the growth and development of the emirate. Your Royal Highness, we are always proud of you. This honor is not only to me, who is the person of the former president, but everybody from Bauchi. I think he is the first president of Nigeria to be turbaned in this palace. And this is very important. I wouldn't want to waste time. How I wish we had noticed from His Royal Highness. Even my brother was saying that he should have come in his regalia and that everybody would have been turbaned and you will see horses and horse riders. But thank you for making it very sharp, very thick, and yet very good in terms of the outcome. We thank you most sincerely today. Thank you very much. For this, I will call on my boss, the brand new Jigon Bauchi, to say a few words at this very.
Excellency, former Vice President Namadi Sambo, thank you for being with us. His Excellency, the former Senate President and former Secretary of Government of the Federation, thank you very sincerely. And let me especially appreciate my younger brother, the Executive Governor of Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed. Thank you for your leadership. Our party chairman, another very senior people that came with me, the Royal Highness, and members of the Eminent Council that are here with us, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. The Royal Highness, the Emir of Bauchi and the Chairman of Bauchi State Council of Emirs and Traditional Rulers, let me, on behalf of my family and indeed on behalf of my entourage, sincerely thank you for this ceremony. Even Turbaned me, put me in this ceremonial robes. I'm now looking so powerful and mighty. And I promise, just like my younger brother said, will fulfill all righteousness based on the title you're giving to me. I'm now known that I'm the title holder in the Bauchi Emirate, and that's significant. So, so those who came with me today, you know that quite many more visits. So we're grateful. Thank you for this. We appreciate it so much. Let us appreciate all the other Indians and members of the Great Council that are here to turban me, to honor me, and give me this recognition. Thank you so much for me to do lead to a living office. Now we come to go that will just advise and we'll promise that we'll continue to play that advisory role very well. And for you, that we commend you for your leadership. Bauchi State is a state in the northeast. But unlike most other states in the northeast, Bauchi State is relatively peaceful. And this is not by chance, because people are working day and night. The government is working day and night. Our royal fathers are working day and night. And the people at the grassroots are also working day and night. That's why we're saying this, the Bauchi State. So we have to commend the leadership, commend the governor, and really commend the people of Bauchi State. Please don't accept negative things. Because there are some communities, some tribes, and so on that compromise. And immediately people embrace people who cause security challenges, then the whole place is gone. But if people reject people who cause security problems, it becomes difficult for them to fester. And because the Bauchi people are refused, that is why Bauchi State is living peacefully. And with this peace, we are very hopeful that development will continue to follow. Foreigners and Nigerians will continue to move in and see this is the part of the country that you can do business. Thank you for your leadership.
Thank you.
May Allah continue to give you the wisdom to lead us.
Thank you, Your Excellency. From His Royal Highness the Emir of Bauchi to the Jigon Bauchi, where after the presentation there's going to be a sign of the visitor's book by the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, Jigon Bauchi.
Our leaders, all our undertaking. The Almighty Allah guide them, the Almighty Allah help them, the Almighty Allah see through all our activities and journey us back to our destination. Thank Almighty Allah. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammad wa sallim. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursalin. Alhamdulillah.
What to be a group photograph. They go outside. We go see car, one bus. Go fight for bus.